How to view your activity or history on OpenSea app. If you wish to view the activity of your transactions and trades on the OpenSea app, maybe you've connected it to other wallets as well, it is rather quite simple for us to do so. Just launch the OpenSea app and this is the interface that you will be able to see. Then what you have to do is make sure that you are logged into your account. Then after you are logged into your account, tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, if it asks you to log in, by the way, go ahead and then log in by connecting your account like your Trust Wallet and so on. So let me just go ahead and connect it to maybe my blockchain wallet and I'll just approve the accesses and so on, right? Once I've done that, once I'm on the account page, there I'll be able to simply see my account details, from where I'll be able to go ahead and then view the activity option from the menu bar. This way I can view my activity on OpenSea. I hope that the video helps you out, and if you have any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.